Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glitter paint for walls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the budget-friendly 7-ounce glitter paint additive from Gilprop. This product is an excellent choice if you're looking for an entry-level glitter paint additive that won't break the bank. Priced at just $8.99, it offers a holographic silver shimmer that transforms walls, ceilings, furniture, or wood into dazzling masterpieces. It's made from high-quality PET polyester film material, making it heat-resistant up to 180 degrees Celsius and suitable for water-based paints. While the glitter's reflective crystal sparkle is impressive, there are some limitations. It's not compatible with oil-based paints, which might restrict its versatility for certain projects. That said, it's a fantastic choice for those working with water-based paints, as the glitter blends seamlessly with minimal clumping when mixed properly. The 7-ounce quantity is sufficient for modest projects, but larger areas may require additional purchases. Overall, this is a great option for DIYers and crafters on a budget. However, the sparkle intensity is slightly less vibrant compared to premium options, and the customer reviews suggest a bit of trial and error is needed to achieve the right shimmer balance. If you're testing the waters with glitter paint, this is a great place to start. Number 4, we have the Glitter Paint for Walls by Hemway in a stunning mother-of-pearl iridescent finish. This product is perfect if you're aiming for an elegant, high-end aesthetic in your space. Designed for use with emulsion paints, this additive creates a mesmerizing shimmer effect that changes with light and angle, making your walls truly stand out. Its non-toxic formulation is safe for indoor use, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or even children's spaces. The Hemway glitter excels in ease of use. Just stir it into your preferred paint, apply, and watch the sparkle come to life. With its fade-resistant and water-based material, you can count on professional results that last. However, it's worth noting that the 3.5-ounce size is smaller compared to other options, which might limit its coverage for large-scale projects. Despite this, Hemway has received rave reviews for its consistent and smooth glitter distribution. If you're looking for a versatile, safe, and easy-to-use glitter additive with a luxurious finish, Hemway's product is an excellent pick. Just keep in mind that it's better suited for smaller projects or touch-ups rather than covering extensive areas. Coming in at number 3 is the V1 Vertex Silver Holographic Glitter Paint Additive. This product is a step up in terms of both quantity and features, offering a generous 400 grams of glitter and 4 buffing pads for an enhanced finish. Whether you're redecorating your bedroom, living room, or even outdoor spaces, this additive delivers a dazzling sparkle effect that's hard to ignore. The holographic glitter flakes are specially designed to reflect light beautifully, creating a magical aesthetic. The standout feature here is the included buffing pads, which allow you to amplify the sparkle after the paint has dried. By gently buffing the surface, you reveal even more light-reflecting glitter crystals, taking the shine to the next level. The product is also waterproof and fade-resistant, ensuring durability over time. However, at 400 grams, this additive is on the heavier side, meaning it's best for larger projects or those who want to go all out with glitter. While it's slightly more complex to use compared to simpler options, the results are well worth the effort. If you're looking for versatility, professional-grade results, and an eye-catching finish, the V1 Vertex Glitter Paint Additive is a fantastic mid-tier choice. At number 2, we have the FBGC glitter for paint in a 5.3-ounce package, which includes 2 buffing pads for that extra touch of brilliance. This product is an excellent mid-range option for those who want a high-quality finish without splurging on a premium product. The holographic silver glitter provides a luminous and dynamic sparkle that works beautifully on walls, ceilings, and even furniture. The included buffing pads are a game changer. Once the paint is dry, Buffing the surface reveals additional glitter crystals, enhancing the shimmer effect significantly. The glitter is also non-toxic, child-safe, and waterproof, making it versatile enough for both interior and exterior use. Users have praised the advanced light-reflecting technology for creating a striking, professional-level finish that rivals glitter wallpaper. Overall, the FBGC glitter for paint strikes a great balance between affordability and quality. While the 5.3-ounce quantity may not be sufficient for large-scale projects, it's perfect for accent walls or smaller decorative areas. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly product with a touch of luxury, this one is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Kegly 500-gram glitter paint additive in silver holographic. This is the ultimate choice for those who want maximum sparkle, coverage, and quality. With 500 grams of glitter, this product is perfect for large-scale projects and offers exceptional value for its $16.99 price tag. The holographic glitter effect is dazzling, creating a laser-like sparkle that's far superior to traditional glitter your wallpaper. What sets Kegly apart is its versatility and quality. Made from high-grade PET polyester film, the glitter is heat-resistant, acid-alkali resistant, and compatible with a variety of paints. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, or ceilings, this additive delivers a consistent, vibrant shimmer without clumping or fading. Additionally, it's ideal for crafts and other creative uses, making it a multi-purpose powerhouse. Though it's the most expensive option on our list, the Kegly glitter paint additive justifies the cost with its premium features and performance. If you're aiming for professional results and want your space to truly shine, this is the glitter paint additive to go for. Hands down, it's our top pick for 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.